Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our September new products video. Our first new product is this driver's seat trim. This is on the 92 to 97 F-Series and Ford Bronco. This is the driver's side. This is when you open your door and you're looking at your seat. This is the side trim panel, excuse me. And this is from Carpenter Industries. They come in opal gray. What's nice about this, if you have just a standard truck or if you have the fancy with power seats, you can just pop this out right here. Voila, you can put your switches through there. So if you don't, you can just go standard, just like that. What's nice about this is opal gray, so if you have like the medium mocha or royal blue or ruby red, you can just paint this to match. Brand new from Carpenter Industries, 92 to 97 seat trim panel. And our next new product is this lower weather strip retainer. This fits the 80 to 97 F-Series and 80 to 96 Ford Bronco. Drivers or passengers are both the same. So what this is, you're doing rust repair on your truck or Bronco. Usually this weather strip channel is all rusted out from holding water in. So what this does, you replace your floor and you replace the rocker. So on top of the new rocker, this is the rear door post, connects to that, connects to the front door post, gives you a nice piece. And when you run your weather strip, door weather stripping down, it comes on there, and that metal piece on the back clamps right over the top of this, and it keeps running going. So when you shut your door, you get a nice tight seal. Brand new. It's just a small piece, but it fits right on top of the rocker for the 80 to 97 F-Series pickup, or the 80 to 96 Ford Bronco is this lower weather strip retainer. And our next new product's this cool dune flag. If you've got a Gen 6 Bronco, this is the way to go. We already sell you the mount here. This goes on the gun sights in the front of the truck, usually on the right front. So this is a really cool dune flag. Comes in this nice little bag, carrying bag here. So what you do is you get your flag out. This is even better here. It's got a picture of the new Gen 6 Bronco on the flag. So this is collapsible. So you just take it apart like this, like that, and you're ready to go. It's a really nice flag. With the mounting it up on the right fender or left fender of the Gen 6 Bronco gives you the 10-foot requirement to get in the ORV parks. What's nice about this too is, if you got this mount on here, it's got this quick release on the bottom here. So you screw this mount piece right on the bracket there. So you go to the off-road park, snap it in place, heading home, boom. Roll it up, put it away in the bag, and you're ready to go. Brand new for the Gen 6 Bronco and the other Bronco. This really cool, collapsible dune flag. And our next two products from Carpenter Industries, this is diesel emblem. This came stock on the 87 to 91 250, 350 diesels. This was on the left front valance panel right under your headlight. It's made just like the original. It's licensed by Ford. Got the 2 tabs for locating it, and it's got the peel and stick. What's nice about this, if you converted one of your other vehicles over and want this nice emblem put on your truck, you just take a pair of cutters, cut these 2 tabs off, stick it right on your truck anywhere you go. Once again, this front diesel emblem for the 87 to 91 250, 350. This is diesel front emblem. And for our September web truck of the month, we have John Mason's 2000-2001 Lincoln Town Car. It's a very unique vehicle. We caught up with it on the sand dunes at Bronco Takeover this year. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support, and hope to see you again next month.
This is my dad's, was my dad's 1999 Lincoln Town Car. He liked the car, he just kept it forever, and he's gone now some years, but I bought it from my mom. And started out as a joke. I put some snow tires on it, brought it out to Silver Lake. It did a lot better than I had anticipated. So one thing leads to another, and pretty soon you need a lift, and then you need some bigger tires, then you need more horsepower, and then, you know, so over the course of 3 years, it's now got a 4-link in the back in place of the air ride. Made my own control arms and everything in the front. Got 13 inches of travel on 31s. It's a stock 4.6 2-valve V8, but I've added a supercharger running 10 pounds of boost and transmission controller. and I had a Detroit locker in the back, so I'm still two-wheel drive because it's still just a car. It's not a truck, it's a car. I reconfigured my intake and had my hood scoop that I made wasn't tall enough anymore, so I gave it an oak spacer, and I stained it colonial so it looked kind of like a 90s kitchen cabinet, just kind of having fun. So at this point, and it's silly, but the whole car is ridiculous, and I think it's hilarious. So next plan is a safari rack made out of oak, but not just a box. I'm going to steam and bend pieces.
Oh, wow.
I get fancy. I used to be a model maker, so I can build about anything out of different materials. And I want to replace the grill. I want to make a grill out of oak. And then the chrome badging on the trunk lid and around the license plate, I want to make that out of oak too, just for laughs. But I mean, I don't need those things, so that's going to probably be a winter project. I drive it all the time. I put my friend's pontoon boat in and out spring and fall with it. You know, whatever it is, a normal 20-foot pontoon, I pull it in and out of the lake with it on a dirt ramp and no problem. It looks hilarious driving down the street.
I bet.
And I wouldn't tow the boat very far very fast because I don't have the brakes for it. If you're going to do this to a Lincoln Town Car Grand Marquis Crown Vic, important thing to keep in mind is 2005, I believe, and onward. The front subframe is aluminum with rack and pinion steering and coilovers, and it's very difficult to modify. It's probably not worth anybody's time. Prior to that, it's all stamped steel parts, more conventional, like an older full-size car or truck, and it's easier, much easier for anybody to hack, change, and weld things up. I'm on the edge of getting paddles pretty much most days.
Yeah.
You don't need paddles, but you know.